the top of the market in December 2017 when it was $19,600. I said, if you have Bitcoin, sell half, keep half. This is the top. Nobody listened to me. If you knew who was really behind Bitcoin, you would run as fast as you fucking could to sell it. I know. 100%. If you knew who owned Bitcoin or who started Bitcoin, and you had Bitcoin, you couldn't sleep at night. I know. 100%. And when the real founder of Bitcoin comes out, it is my humble opinion, and there's nothing humble about me, Bitcoin will go to fucking zero.
One day.
And a microsecond, whoop, like that.
So on today's video, I have groundbreaking news. An American artist known by Kanye West is campaigning to be the next US president of America. This is very bullish, and he is also a Bitcoin enthusiast and a Bitcoin investor. And I also have some very bullish news coming up on Chainlink. Chainlink has been pumping for the past months and weeks, and I'm gonna cover that. And is this the all-time high, or is this just a fake pump and dump that Chainlink is attempting to do? So stay tuned, and we're also gonna take a look at the Bitcoin price. Is the Bitcoin price going to roll over? And currently the Bitcoin price is going to crash to the downside if this move doesn't play out in the next coming days. So stay tuned and let's roll the cameras. I hope you're having a good day. This is me, Digital Digits, bringing you a weekly video on Bitcoin. And currently today we're gonna cover Chainlink. But before we start, we have breaking news. An American artist known by Kanye West released a tweet on July 5th, and this is what he said: "We must now realize the promise of America by trusting God, unifying our vision, and building our future. I am running for President of the United States. Hashtag 2020 vision." Yes, Kanye West has in the past wanted to become an American president, or as a running-up candidate to become the US president. And with this tweet, it makes it official that Kanye West really wants to be a candidate for the US presidential office. And as you can see down there's a picture of him, Kanye West, and Elon Musk down at the bottom. Elon Musk just also tweeted that he's gonna support Kanye West for his campaigning to become the next US president. And this tweet was released on July 4th, and now it's currently viral with 1.2 million likes and 500,000 retweets. And also Kanye West is a very Bitcoin investor, enthusiastic person. He understands Bitcoin and what it means to purchase Bitcoin and what it stands for. And I'm gonna show you a video of what he thinks about Bitcoin.
When you're acting in love, you're like a drop of water and you have the ocean as your army. When you act in fear, it's just you and your money. Now you could take your money and put it in Bitcoin, put a credit form, put it in cash, or all your cash, and then stand up to the ocean, and who's gonna win? We definitely are dealing with racism, but I want to push future concepts. You know, now I'm giving you two streams of consciousness in one. I want to talk about my wife. I also want to talk about Harriet Tubman on a $20 bill.
We're following you. We're following it all. You set it up good. Okay.
That was the moment that I wanted to use Bitcoin, and I saw Harriet Tubman on a $20 bill.
So now let's look at the current Bitcoin price. So this is a Bitcoin chart. It's a 4-hour chart, and currently Bitcoin had a pump last night, and currently now Bitcoin is getting rejected at the 9,300 level. Maybe you could see Bitcoin trying to hold support at the 900, 200 level. If Bitcoin doesn't hold that level, maybe Bitcoin could roll over and go to the downside and retest the 9,000 levels. As you can see here, the 9,000 levels has been a buy area for many Bitcoin bulls, because every time when the price reaches 9k, you see these spike spiking candles, that means that people have been buying at those 8,000 levels. So that's a bullish area that you have to watch out. But currently Bitcoin has been trending sideways, and this has been a very boring months and weeks for the Bitcoin price, because it's currently going sideways. There's no volatility. It's only small pumps and dumps. So, and this also is causing a lot of altcoins to start pumping. And today we're also going to cover Chainlink and how it has been pumping. And currently if Bitcoin stays and trends sideways, a lot of these altcoins will outperform Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is going to lose its dominance. But we all know when the Bitcoin price volatility decreases, we tend to see a very volatile move afterwards. So we can expect a volatile move this month or next month. If Bitcoin trends sideways and volatility decreases, we'll see a huge spike candle soon, maybe to the upside or maybe to the downside. So now let's look at Chainlink. As you can see for yourself, this is a very bullish chart. This chart is Chainlink. Chainlink has been ranging around this rising channel, and currently Chainlink has broke above this channel. Chainlink could now retest the all-time highs, and also the resistance line here up above at $8 a coin. Chainlink could have some difficult time breaking the $8 level, because Chainlink is in an uptrend and it could be easily be reached in a few weeks or days. And this is a daily chart, and the trend is an uptrend. And you always know the saying that the trend is your friend until the end. So people are placing buy orders at these levels, because Chainlink has broke above this resistance blue line here above, and currently now it's testing its all-time new highs. And my strategy for Chainlink is to wait for a pullback and buy more Chainlink. So I won't be selling any Chainlink anytime soon. I'll be holding my Chainlinks and selling at higher prices, because Chainlink could easily reach maybe $100 in the next Bitcoin bull run, or even $50. So I'll be holding on Chainlink because it's a good buy and it's a good cryptocurrency to hold on. But that's my strategy. I won't be selling anytime soon, just accumulating Chainlink. So now let's look at Plan B. Plan B released a picture of Bitcoin returns and how he could predict the next Bitcoin all-time high. So let's read what Plan B tweeted out on July the 6th. And this is what he has to say. Contrary to normal distributions in asymmetric fat tail distribution, outliers are fundamental structural changes for Bitcoin. These are the phase transitions: 2011 Silk Road Mt. Gox, 2013 Cypress Bitstamp BTCC $100, 2017 JPY, the AUS, Fox, Bitcoin Cash Futures, and 1K. So now we're entering a new phase, which is the next decade phase, and we don't know which phase could it represent. Could it represent DeFi and also maybe some other new altcoins that are coming our way to finance these cryptocurrency coins? So he's just saying that Bitcoin is entering a new phase now, which is going to be influenced by its infrastructure around it. And here, if you look at the picture, these are the Bitcoin returns if you bought Bitcoins in each of these years from 2011 and currently till this year. As you can see, all of these candlestick charts are always in the positive, and it's only 2014, 2018 were the years that you could have made a loss, but it was gonna be a small loss compared to the returns. The returns are more largely to the upside than to the downside. So you'll be most profitable buying Bitcoin in 2011, 2012, 2013, 15, 16, 17, 19, and currently this year. If you bought Bitcoin at the start of this year, you're currently up by 36% something percentage or so. And we could also use this to predict the next returns that Bitcoin is going to achieve. Maybe it could be 1,000 again, or even less, maybe 500. If it's 500%, that could put the Bitcoin price at 50,000 per Bitcoin. If it's more than that, that can put the Bitcoin price at astronomical highs, like 300k per Bitcoin. And that's possible according to Plan B. As you can see, this is also another stock to flow model. Currently, we have put the red dots signify that we have started the bull run. So this is a very good time to start accumulating Bitcoin, or even purchasing your first Bitcoin, because Bitcoin has asymmetric risk to the upside. And join the Bitcoin movement and ride this longevity train to the upside. So this is gonna be it for today's video. Make sure you like and subscribe.